Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're trying kombucha.
So kombucha, for those of you who don't know, if you've been hiding under a rock somewhere.
No, maybe they just don't know. It's fermented tea.
Yes.
It has a slight fizz to it.
Yep, it's very mildly alcoholic, or it can be. It has lots of probiotic health benefits. It's really good for your stomach, for your gut. It's like yogurt or...
But not. It's not creamy. There's no dairy. It's just good for your gut.
Right, it's good for your gut.
It has nothing to do like with yogurt.
All right, let's get started.
Wow, that has like a strong apple cider vinegar kind of taste. Yeah.
It's like a very, very mildly vinegar, and there's a bit of fizz, which I like. That's that sort of soda-ish.
It's slightly sweet. I don't know, it feels like you'd put a little bit of apple cider vinegar into your apple cider.
All right,
to
so
me.
Out of 5 stars, I'm gonna give that 4.
I concur. Original and raw kombucha from Living GTS Foods.
I've seen that bottle before.
I have too. I feel like this one's like pretty common. So there's 2 servings per container, it's 8 ounces, 25 calories, no fat, no cholesterol, 10 milligrams of sodium, so it's like 1%. Okay. 6 grams of carbs and 6 grams of sugar. So again, pretty low.
Oh yeah.
And I thought it was pretty tasty. Oh, smell it. You'll know what that is.
Oh, that's ginger. That's a lot of ginger.
It smells really spicy.
Oh, that's like a good ginger beer.
It really is.
I can make
really
a dark
good.
and stormy with that. Like a little bit of rum.
It's really spicy. Like it hurts your throat just a little bit, but like in a good way. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give this like 4.5 stars.
I'll give it a 4. Solid.
This is Kavita Master Brew Kombucha, and this is the super gingery one.
I like it. I could dig it.
Right.
Honestly, I know it's not traditional, but I could totally see mixing a cocktail with this, like a Moscow Mule or like, but healthier. With your gut bugs. 2 servings in here, 35 calories, which is the most out of any, but only by like 5 or 10 calories. Really not a big difference. 20 milligrams sodium, still at 0%. 8 grams of carbs, 8 grams of sugar. So it's a little higher in carbs and sugar than the other ones too.
So this has caffeine in it too. So this is like your morning wake up kombucha.
I could totally see that. The ginger is a really, really like energizing kind of flavor to me anyway.
Hey, so while we're trying all these different things, be sure to like us, leave us a comment about other things that you want us to try, or tell us how you think we're doing. Ooh, it smells like roses or something.
Roses?
No, it tastes like rose.
It does have kind of a floral taste, maybe like hibiscus.
This is a sipping rose water.
It's really astringent. Like the inside of my mouth is puckering and drying out in a major way right now.
I don't care for the floral.
It reminds me of pink lemonade that no one put sugar in.
I'm gonna give it a 3.
Give it like a 1.5. That's my least favorite that we've tried so far. I have to dog Chris here for a second because he thought the flavor here was rose, okay?
I did.
It's actually fire.
It says fire.
Nailed it.
So serving size is 8 fluid ounces. This is the same as every other bottle, but their servings per container is only 1.5.
Who's gonna stop at 1.5 servings though? Because you can't really put the top back on this one either.
But that still only gets you, so this is a bigger serving size, but that still only gets you 40 calories, 10 milligrams of sodium, but it gets you 9 grams of carbohydrates and 9 grams of sugar.
So it's a little bit more carbs and sugar and calories than the other ones.
But it's a bigger serving size, so it's probably about the same.
Probably.
So again, you know, all of these are right in the same place in terms of health. It's really just a matter of the flavor and the amount of ginger and or rose flavor that you like. This is definitely, I think this is both of our favorites. We agree this week.
Definitely.
This is the one that we like. We both really go for the strong ginger flavor, and it's a little sweet. It tastes a lot like a really good ginger beer. I could see drinking it just for health reasons, or to wake up a little bit in the morning, or to relax at the end of the day. That's it for this week. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week with another taste test.
Bye.
Bye.